Hey, today we're going to go explore Poona Lake, which is about 5 kilometres out of the Rainbow Beach CBD. So let's go. Right, so from the entry of the freshwater track, you can see it's only 2 k's to the by mean day use area. Now you can get in with 2-wheel drives, but beware, if it does get wet, this track can get soft sometimes. So let's go. Obviously there is no camping, that goes without saying. And then over here is the big signboard with all the information. So the by mean day use area, there's tables and chairs here as well. But this walk into Poona Lake actually forms the 120 kilometre walk from Noosa to Rainbow Beach is part of this as well, which is an epic 5 days they recommend to do that. Anyway, look, there's a big board here with a whole heap of information. Obviously where we are here, walking into Poona Lake, and then obviously this is part of the look down here, freshwater lake walk down here as well.
4.2k return walk.
Death
so
what is
it? It's a 4.2k return walk and allow an hour and 30 minutes. We've done this walk a few times, we love it.
Death Hunters, I don't like the sound of that.
Well, that's why you got shoes on, dude. You watch where you're walking. So anyway, beautiful rainforesty feel in here as well. Great walk. Check out these vines going up these trees.
Pretty cool, huh?
There, that's awesome. So anyway, let's go for the walk in. You ready, kids?
Let's go!
Dad, come here.
The girls are still Instagramming it back there,
It's cute!
as they do.
Too busy on their phones.
So the walk is not too bad at all, except for the kids complaining. But it's, as I said, 2.1 k's in, 2.1 k's out. But the rainforest and the vines growing up trees is just awesome. So I can really recommend this. As usual, the link to this location will be below on Campedia. And I don't know what I'm saying. So anyway, let's go and enjoy it. Right, so this would probably be the steepest part of the track heading in. I don't know if, let me just, you can see the track going up there above the girl's head as it goes up. Well, it's not overly difficult, but it does get a little bit steep. If I can hold the camera still. But that's probably the highest and the most steep part. Right, okay, so Jacob thinks this part of the track smells like a hot chocolate. Anyway, that was the incline. We're now starting on the decline down to the lake. And just awesome. How big? I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice, but the size of that tree there is just massive. We've got another tree in front of it. There we go. How wide's that? There to there. That's huge. Anyway, what do you reckon, Jakey? Oh, you're right. Yeah. He fully knocked his noggin straight on that tree, mate. You're right. Hey, I was around here, we saw a green tree snake once, wasn't it, Jakey? Yeah.
No, that was at
no,
home.
we saw one here too.
Okay.
All right. Decline. You going for a swim?
Yes.
Actually, I might go for a swim. It's going to be cold, but we'll see how we go. Couldn't believe it too. Forgot my drone. Anyway, I've got some drone footage from last time we were here, haven't I, mate? I'll use that. Now I elbowed him in the head.
By a tree and then you hit me in the head with your elbow.
Sorry, dude. Well, this has got to be the fullest I've ever seen Poona Lake. So normally, out there, those trees is a lovely sandbank we normally sit on to go for a swim. And it's just chockers. She's awesome. So much rain, but I wonder how long it's going to take before it goes down. Anyway, Poona Lake, I don't know if we're going to go for a swim even because there's actually a cool breeze blowing now, but I'll grab some drone footage from last time we were here so you can have a look what it looks like from the sky. Cheers, guys. So this is where we normally walk out through that track there to go out to the sandbar, but obviously can't do it. So what do you reckon, Jackie? We head back?
Yeah.
Time to go get some food?
Yes, and teach me about the camera.
And you want to be learning about the camera?
Yes,
All right.
Because I just took a few photos.
Camera lessons. Alrighty.
Yay.
So that's Poona Lake, guys. Awesome place. Lots and lots to see. A bit diverse, the bush as well. You go from the rainforest through to normal bushland. Be respectful, stay on the tracks. If you bring anything in, take it with you. Please don't leave rubbish in here.
And glass.
Or glass, yeah. It's a bit of a big thing. Hey, we need to start a campaign, Jacob. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Give glass the arse, especially coming into locations like this and swimming holes. So anyway, guys, that's Poona Lake. Come and check it out when you come to Rainbow Beach. Links will be in the description below, and see you next time. So something I forgot to tell you guys is if you make YouTube videos or TikTok videos on locations like this at Poona Lake, don't forget you can add them to Campedia so other users get to see your take on that location. We want to help you get views as well, and yes, helps us with Campedia with a bit more content as well. So guys, don't forget to hit that add video button on the location or at the top of the website or on the app. Either way. Cheers, guys.